Yeah, I think that's better. I'm just trying to show you guys what the before looks like before I do my brows. I do feel like it's gonna look better. Yeah, this is my brows. Literally, this is the shape of my brows. This is how they look without any eye pencil on. So I'm gonna do them right now. This is what I use for my brows. Screenshot right now because the results are amazing. You're gonna see as well. Screenshot right now.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna.
Make sure that they flow in the right direction. I haven't applied anything to my brows, which is great.
You say it's
And my
hard to
hands as
tell
well.
just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want. Let you
Actually,
walk
always
in
start here, but now I
if you
forgot because
want
I'm
to.
nervous.
You can ask me anything, no walls between us. Ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us. Ain't no mask. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets. No, 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 no secrets. No secrets. No.
Okay, so I'll be waiting for say 15 to 30 minutes in between those amounts, but not less than 15 minutes. And then I'll show you guys how my brows look like afterwards. I also did my edges so that I'm done, and I put on some earrings. Okay, I'm filming for IG. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to wipe my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this. Okay, what I did is just try to shape them nicely so that it's clean underneath, like really, and then the top. I put some mascara on so that my eyes are just a little bit wide open. It is the 21st. It is the 21st. Let me just hold it like this. It is the 21st of March. It's Human Rights Day. Happy Human Rights Day, you guys. So later on I will be coming back and I will be just filling in here so that it's darker. I just prefer my brows looking like that. Like here, I'm gonna add there so that it's darker. Do you get what I'm saying? like here and here. Do you get me? So that's what I'm gonna do. But all in all, I love this. Please ignore my stomach because I'm wearing a jean that I haven't worn in a while. Surprised that it actually fits me. That's my love handles are obviously shaped and stuff, you can see it. I prefer my t-shirts a bit tight because then it makes me feel that I don't have a lot. I haven't gained any weight, but yeah, this is how I'm looking. Hey guys, it is very late in the evening, so I just want to do some skincare with you guys. I realized that the lighting might not be the best, but it's very late. It's like 11 o'clock. Let me check. It's like 11 o'clock. I don't want to like waste time in. That's the other thing. Yeah, that's the time. It's 10:59. It's almost 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna wash my face. So my face is wet, and yeah, I'm gonna start off by washing my face, and I'm gonna use this Pond's H Miracle Glow, Youthful Glow. It's a foam. It's a foam, facial foam. I love this. Ever since I started using this, my skin hasn't been reacting as much as it used to. What I like about it is that it's very foamy. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I am gonna go in with this H Miracle Micellar Water. Because I have sensitive skin, my skin tends to react towards what are the toners that are quite harsh. This one I've been using as a toner, and yeah, it's been doing a good job. Also, because I have sensitive skin, I use my face cloth and not cotton pads because yeah, once I use them, tomorrow I'll have a rash. So I'm trying to avoid having rash moments. Otherwise, it's been doing really good. You can also see my dish. Yeah, I think you guys can see what it's been doing really well. So I am doing a bit more than just my basic skincare. I'm gonna use this Himalaya detoxifying charcoal mask. All I'm saying. Yeah. Done. My face is super clean. Just gonna use this face mask by Curate. You guys should know by now I'm in love with Curate as a brand. Holistically. Yeah, I'll always go back for their stuff. Okay, I think I have about 15 minutes to just do what I want to. And yeah, I think I'm gonna read a book in the meantime. Okay, so it's been a while. I'm gonna take off my mask. Anybody who tells me that they don't believe in masking, you're a suspect. You are a suspect, I tell you. Just gonna tap the excess into my skin, like gently rub it to the places that really didn't get any of that. The lightning is making me look so much brighter than I actually am. So no, I didn't bleach, it's just the way the light looks like today. As you can see, I'm being very gentle. And then I'm gonna follow up with the serum. You guys know I did this campaign. I worked with Also Heavenly. I'm running out. I went looking for this serum, but our clicks didn't have it. I'm just gonna use that amount. Don't need a lot actually. Because my face is moisturized now. Might have to buy it online if it's not in store. And then I'm gonna use this cream. I don't have a day or night cream. I just use this cream either way because during the day and during the evening I am using my sunscreen. So there is no need for that. Like that amount is enough. Rub, rub, rub. And then there's no need for sunscreen, but I use the sunscreen. During the day I have to use the sunscreen. But yeah, because I already have so many products on my face, I feel like I'll just use this one. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me turn my... So this eye cream I got last year. It's been lasting me for a very long time. I got it at, what do they call this place? Signature. It was on sale. It was on sale. I think, not on sale, it was during the Black Friday season. I got it for like 54 rand. I don't know how much its original price is. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply my eye cream to my eyes. Lastly, I'm gonna use Vaseline. I have this huge bottle because my son uses it. It's my son's. So I'm just borrowing it. And just applying a generous amount of it. And that concludes skincare, you guys. Look at that glow. Covered now. Get into that skin. Clearly something is something, okay? Clearly I'm doing something right. Yeah. Tomorrow morning's glow is gonna be even better than this. So you can just imagine how happy I am about that. But yeah, that concludes my skincare routine, you guys. Thank you so much for watching up until the end. If you did watch up until this far, please do comment down below with roses to show that to indicate to me that you actually watched up until the end. And also, if you love this kind of videos, please let me know because I want to know if I should create more self-care videos, and if you guys would like to know what it is that I'm actually using with regards to self-care. I hope you enjoyed this video. En as om ek van die Noordkap Arwas box ek is 8, darling.